This is a 2-pack of faux eucalyptus with black metal wall vases. They are such a fun boho chic vibe and so easy to put up. I was sent these to review from DeRose, so let me show you a closer look. Ooh, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous matte metal holder. So you've got 2 of those. Then you've got these 2 faux eucalyptus plants. Actually looks real. It's a plastic feel though, not fabric. That's really nice. That is the bottom. It's all wrapped together. So I guess each of these is separate and then they've got them attached. So if you look on the website, the product page, the instructions do say to bend the end. And then, so we're gonna rebend it. And then they want you to stick it in bent like that. Ooh, I see why. That really like wedges it in there really tight. There we go. Okay, so now that is not falling out. I see. Okay, then you can bend it to kind of fan them out if you like. It's kind of up to you. That's so cool. All right, and then that is the back. There's no like mounting bits, but that's where this comes into play. It comes with this little box. You've got 3 of these that you can just like press into the wall. And then you've got 3 black metal screws. So any of those would work. I would say just hang it right here from that top bit. I actually have some nails in the wall already, so I'm just gonna use those for now to see how this looks. Ooh. That is gorgeous. I love it. And it like makes a shadow on the wall. That's super, super gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. So quick, right out of the box. Couldn't be easier. I love these.